With 27 years of experience, it's clear to say that it's difficult to cram all those ideas and experience into one person's mind, especially those who are inexperienced in terms of this industry. Carpentry has expanded from 40 years and before, and we realized that softwares like Cabinet Vision will change the market and will change the generation's view in terms of woodworking and also cabinet making as well. Malaysia has a wide competitive market, and we realized that softwares like this is going to help the market ease in terms of getting new employment jobs, new people to come in, and inexperienced people to learn as well. Malaysia has a huge market in terms of cabinet making and woodworking as well, and it has always been traditional. Softwares like Cabinet Vision has allowed us newcomers to come into the market without learning and experiencing 20 years or 30 years of experience. We don't need the requirement for a skill, because what the software does, it helps us understand it as a whole for us to actually do the design and actually come up with the production and also management as well. So Cabinet Vision, throughout 2 years of my experience of using Cabinet Vision, has benefited not only me but newcomers as well, designers, and also the manufacturing production facility as well. People would understand how to use accessories, connectors, and even new appliances as well, all input into the softwares, and actually we can create new designs. What we realize is that it is the leading future, and it is always a solution for newcomers like me. With a business degree, I realized that that is not only the option. Softwares like Cabinet Vision gave me the opportunity to embark on a new company like this. It is a family company, and it is always something that we realize that it has to continue, a trait that needs to be brought to the new generation. So I am the new generation, and with Cabinet Vision is going to help me produce and create new designs and also create a new business venture as well.